How to redeem your eBay gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can redeem your eBay gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to redeem your eBay gift card, all you have to do is simply first of all open up your browser and go to ebay.com. Once you go to ebay.com, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just make sure to add the products that you want to buy to your cart. And once you've added them to your cart, click the cart option from the top right hand side of the screen and basically head over to the checkout process. Once you head over the checkout process, make sure you've entered your shipping details and so on. And after you've done that, if you scroll down, you can use your normal payment method such as a card or your PayPal or whatever else. But to use gift card, just scroll down. Here you'll find this option called gift card, coupons or eBay bucks, and that's all that we need. We just need to make sure to enter our gift card code that we have in this box. Once you've done so, click the apply button. If your gift card code is correct, depending upon the value of that gift card, it is going to be successfully used to purchase this product, as you can find here. This way you can go ahead and then basically redeem your eBay gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.